Okay guys, these aren't done yet, and I will post pictures when they're done, but I wanted to show you where I'm at so far. Look at the stones in them. Beautiful stones. And look, it even glows like in the light. And the back is pretty too. The back I put peridot, little stones of peridot in it. And they're not done yet. Right here I have a repurposed Kendra Scott stone. Really pretty, look at that. Then I have this one. And this has some stones in it as well. See the stones in the handle. And I'm spacing right now, so I'm forgetting the names of the stones, but look at the detail. Isn't that pretty? I'm not done with the back yet. I'm going to go over it with another layer. Look how thick that one is. Oh yeah, it's nice. Oh, prehenite. That's what that is, prehenite. And labradorite, I believe. Or not labradorite, fluorite, excuse me. And peridot in the back. And I'm not... Next, we have this beauty. She has rose petals, some little pearls, some gold flakes, a beautiful brooch, repurposed. And these all, like, glow in the light. They're so pretty. Back, and I think I might leave this one like that. It's hard to see, but you can see the little swirls on her. Absolutely gorgeous. And this one is my one with real pearl beads on it. You can see them right there. Has rose petals, and if you look closely, you can see the rose quartz all throughout it. A really beautiful seashell that I've had for a long time that I got from Florida, right before I left for Bahamas. Beautiful flower in there, some more pearls, gold flakes and roses, and she has some lavender on her too. And she has some blue on the back. I'm not done with her either. Like, you can see what they look like when they glow. Like, they just kind of like have that glow to them. I wanted to keep this one more clear because she has a lot of natural beauty in her. Just so pretty. I'm going to wire wrap her. Here again are the daggers that I'm currently in the process of making. So pretty. This one is my favorite. It's so pretty and it glows, and the stones in it. This one has so many different kinds of stones. I'm going to list them though when I'm done, because right now I'm kind of spaced and I'm super tired. Oh, I can't wait till these are fully done and I can show you guys. These are my two favorites. Ugh, that coral looks beautiful in there. And prehenite is such a good stone. So pretty. So these are it. Super gorgeous. Oh my god.